Tutoring with a Twist presents more tips for tutoring over Zoom. We're back with a few more tips and tricks to help you make the most out of virtual tutoring. One challenge of tutoring over Zoom is that you can't physically be in the same room as your students. Using Google Docs or Dropbox are both great ways to work collaboratively in a document, so you and your student can work on an assignment together in real time. You can also turn on the editing feature to track changes you've both made to your work. If your student is a visual learner, you can use a drawing program to play drawing games with your students. Even a program as simple as Microsoft Paint or the Whiteboard function on Zoom will work for this. Picture-to-word association games or guessing games like Hangman are great, especially if your student is learning a second language. If you're having trouble with your connection over Zoom, or Zoom keeps crashing during your tutoring sessions, try disconnecting your other devices from the internet to increase the bandwidth. If possible, you can also try moving closer to your router or getting a Wi-Fi extender. You can also take advantage of the many free resources online. You can find sample lesson plans, explanations of concepts, and even entire curriculums on teaching websites. These can be a great way to see what kind of topics your students may be studying in school, according to subject and grade level. Have you found any other strategies that work with your students or in meetings in general? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.